Prepping your lip canvas. Asterisk before you embark on your bold lip journey, ensure your lips are a blank canvas. Gently exfoliate using a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush, sloughing away any dry skin. Follow this with a generous application of lip balm to create a nourished base that paves the way for a smooth, even lipstick application. Asterisk choosing your bold palette. Asterisk bold lipstick is a spectrum of hues waiting to be explored. Whether your heart beats for fierce reds, bold purples, or vivacious pinks, select a shade that resonates with your personality and style. Your choice of color is a declaration of your uniqueness. Asterisk mastery in lip liner. Asterisk lip liner is your guiding light to precision. Opt for a liner that complements your chosen lipstick shade, or opt for one that's slightly deeper. Start by outlining your lips, accentuating your cupid's bow, and carefully tracing the contours. This foundational step sets the tone for your bold lip masterpiece. Asterisk unveiling the brush strokes. Asterisk with your canvas prepared, it's time to paint your bold lip masterpiece. Whether you prefer applying the lipstick bullet directly or using a brush for meticulous application, begin from the center of your lips and work outward. Define the edges and ensure even coverage for an eye-catching result. Asterisk a pause for blotting. Asterisk every masterpiece needs moments of contemplation, and so does your bold lip. Gently blot your lips with a tissue after your initial application to set the color and prevent smudging. This brief pause ensures your bold lip stands the test of time. Asterisk layering for intensity. Asterisk to amplify the vibrancy and depth of your bold lip, consider applying a second layer of lipstick. This not only enhances the color's richness but also fortifies its staying power, making your lip statement truly unforgettable. Asterisk defining edges with finesse. Asterisk for impeccably sharp edges, dip a flat brush into concealer and gently trace the borders of your lips. This masterstroke accentuates your lip shape, creating a flawless finish that rivals professional makeup artistry. Asterisk the seal of longevity. Asterisk elevate your bold lip to endurance status by dusting a delicate veil of translucent setting powder over a tissue placed on your lips. This final touch ensures the color's steadfastness, solidifying your bold lips' role as the focal point of your look. Asterisk and no transfer pledge. Asterisk to prevent any lipstick transfer mishaps, discreetly place your index finger in your mouth, envelop your lips around it, and gently withdraw. This maneuver eliminates any excess lipstick from the inner lip area, guaranteeing a transfer-free performance. Asterisk confidence, your crown jewel. Asterisk lastly, wear your bold lip with unwavering confidence. Your choice of bold lipstick is more than skin deep. It's a testament to your authenticity and an outward expression of your inner strength. Asterisk in conclusion, a bold overture. Asterisk bold lipstick application is your invitation to express your inner self with vivid artistry. Armed with these expert tips and tricks, you're poised to wield the transformative power of bold color, capturing attention and sparking conversation wherever you go. Through practice, you'll evolve into a master of self-expression, turning your bold lip into a personal trademark, an emblem of your courage and charisma. Whether you're stepping into a special occasion, embracing a daring everyday look, or simply craving an unforgettable presence, your bold lipstick is your spotlight, a beacon of self-assurance, beauty, and undeniable allure that leaves a lasting impression on the world around you.